Yo, what's up guys? It's your boy Prince of PJVC back here again for another unboxing video. For today, we are going to unbox this Redragon K530 Draconic 60% layout RGB wireless mechanical keyboard with 5.0 Bluetooth. And the current switch that we have for this keyboard right now is the Lubed Brown Kale. So let's proceed to the unboxing. Let's go. As you can see guys, the sticker is already tampered because I just borrowed this keyboard from my good friend. He lent me his keyboard to have this content right now, the unboxing of this keyboard, and of course the typing sound test. I am very impressed with the packaging of this keyboard. As you can see, it is very premium looking. When you open it, there's another box inside, and also it will contribute another protection for the keyboard during the shipment process. And here is our Type-C to USB cable. If you're going to use the keyboard wired, then you need this one. And here's another mini box for the extra switches. If you are planning to change your switches in the future, then you may use these 4 switches as a reference. It comes with blue, brown, red, and black Kale switches. And of course, the main keyboard. It is very minimal looking and look classy. Just to let you know, this is the first Redragon 60% keyboard, ultra minimalistic 10 keyless TKL designed with 61 keys, portable layouts, frees up table space for mouse movement. And here's the manual that comes with a sticker. And as you can see guys, on the left side of this keyboard, we have the Type-C slot, the power on and off, and lastly, the 3 mode of Bluetooth. You can enjoy the freedom of wireless with an advanced 5.0 Bluetooth chip and 2400 mAh long-lasting battery capacity. You can connect your keyboard to your PC, tablet, and even cell phone. Since we are done with the unboxing of this keyboard, let's proceed to the quick typing sound test and of course the typing test. And lastly, before we end this video, I'm going to show you the different effects lighting of this keyboard. And for the lightings of this keyboard, it comes with dynamic 13 preset illumination modes are free to choose by the keyboard itself. Millions of colors option and reactive typing effects make you the designer of your ultimate gear with Pro Driver. So guys, thank you so much for the time that you have given to watch this video. Thank you so much for supporting my small channel. I hope to improve more in my future videos. This is my first time to do an over voice video. Hope you like it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell button below so you will get notified to my future uploads. And if you have questions regarding this keyboard, feel free to leave a comment. I will try to answer as best as I can. Thank you so much once again. It's your boy Prince of PJVC. You guys are awesome. See you on my next video. Peace out.